Join me as I dive into the world of Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4 earbuds to see if they really revolutionize my listening experience. The Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4 earbuds have built a reputation for delivering exceptional audio quality and innovative features that set them apart from the competition. We've all been there, struggling to find the perfect wireless earbuds that meet our expectations. Whether it's dealing with spotty connectivity, subpar sound quality, or uncomfortable fits, traditional wireless earbuds often fall short. You might find yourself constantly adjusting them, dealing with audio dropouts, or sacrificing sound quality for a more affordable price tag. It's frustrating to say the least. And let's not forget about the anxiety of running out of battery juice in the middle of a marathon listening session. It's a nightmare we've all experienced at some point. Moreover, some earbuds claim to offer impressive features, but ultimately fail to deliver. For instance, they might boast about having advanced noise cancellation, but in reality, it's nothing more than a fancy marketing gimmick. The noise cancellation might not be effective in real-world scenarios, leaving you disappointed and underwhelmed. But what if I told you there's a solution that addresses all these pain points? A pair of earbuds that promises to revolutionize your listening experience and actually delivers on that promise. Enter the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4 earbuds. With these earbuds, Sennheiser has managed to pack in some incredible features that truly elevate the listening experience. For starters, the noise cancellation is top-notch, effectively blocking out background noise and allowing you to focus on the music. The battery life is impressive, with up to 28 hours of playtime on a single charge. And the customizable sound profiles? Absolutely fantastic. You can fine-tune the sound to your liking, whether you're a bass lover or a treble enthusiast. But what really sets these earbuds apart is the level of immersion they provide. I remember the first time I put them on and listened to my favorite album. It was like I was transported to a different world. The sound was so rich and detailed that I felt like I was right there in the recording studio with the artists. It was an unforgettable experience, and one that I've been able to relive time and time again with these earbuds. I've had the chance to wear these earbuds on long commutes during intense workouts, and even just lounging around the house. And every time, I've been blown away by the sheer quality of the sound. Whether I'm listening to classical music, hip-hop, or even podcasts, these earbuds have consistently delivered an audio experience that's nothing short of exceptional. In summary, the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4 earbuds are a game changer. They offer A-list features, exceptional sound quality, and a level of immersion that's hard to find in other earbuds. If you're in the market for a pair of earbuds that will revolutionize your listening experience, look no further. So, what's your favorite pair of earbuds? Have you tried the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4 earbuds? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to check out more tech reviews, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.